Aloha Agents of Change. This is Justine Gronwald of Legal Advice in Paradise, and it's been a while since I've done a video. So the reason I'm doing this video today is to update you on what's going on with the book Lawyer Up, 7-Step Guide to Helping You Find the Attorney for Your Needs. As many of you know, I published it in ebook last year, a year ago, in Amazon Kindle, and it reached #1 in 3 categories, so that was really good. And then I was going to work on the paper book to bring much richer content for the reader, but then as life would have it, I got busy with other projects and I put it on the side. But now I paid attention to it again a couple months ago, sent it to my editor, and my editor sent it back with just a few little bit changes she wanted me to do, and then it should be ready in about 6 to 8 weeks. I'm really excited about that, and I want to thank you for all of you who've been asking me when the paperback was going to come out. Well, it's going to be here in about 6 to 8 weeks. I just want to let the ones who don't know why I started my podcast show, and it was because I faced my own legal battle, which lasted about 4 years, and ultimately I lost. So it's very devastating to me. And I just figured out that a lot of people are just not prepared to go through this whole process of going through litigation. So what I decided to do was to start this podcast show where I interview, so far I've interviewed about 20 or so attorneys, and I asked them questions about their particular area of law so that if anyone would need a service such as that, they would know what to expect. And so I did a lot of interviews, and then I got to thinking, do people really know how to hire an attorney? So I went out, I did a little survey, and I just went out and talked to a whole bunch of people, and I asked them, I said, hey, if you needed an attorney, would you know how to hire an attorney? And of course, 99% of them said no. I mean, really, would you know how to hire an attorney today if you needed one? And then the other 1% told me about their legal battle stories. So we kind of exchanged legal battle stories. And then what I wanted to let you know is that just recently, February 6, 2016, Wall Street Journal came out with an article talking about the new legal fee billable rates. And these are the elite firms, but listen to this. Now some legal firms are charging $1,500 per hour. And that is so insane, right? So I was thinking the average person can't even afford the average rate of $250 an hour, let alone $1,500 per hour. So what I wanted to do today with this video as well, besides updating you about the book, is I wanted to ask another survey question, and it will require a simple yes or no answer, and I would just love if you could help me out. That would make me so happy. I would be so grateful if you could help me out with this survey. It's a simple yes or no answer, and you can leave your answer below in the comment area if you're watching this on YouTube or even on Facebook. Leave it below, or you can private message me in Facebook, or you could write to me and leave me your name and your answer, your yes or no answer, to Justine@legaladviceinparadise.com, or you can text it to me to area code 808-852-8302. Leave me your name and your answer. So here's the simple survey question, and I am going to read it so I don't mess it up. So here's the question. If you knew you could pick up the phone, call an attorney, and ask legal questions and not receive a bill, would you? So let me ask you that again. If you knew you could pick up the phone, call an attorney, ask legal questions, and not receive a bill, would you? So again, leave the comments below, private message me, email me, or text to me, and I am so grateful that you are able to help me. And I just want to give a shout out to all of you who have been following me for the past year or so and watching my journey, and a lot of you have seen me on Facebook and all the crazy stuff I've been going through. If you could like this video in Facebook and in YouTube, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Legal Advice in Paradise, that would be so great, because then you can get all the all the latest videos updating you on what's happening and the progress of the books and any book signings we may be doing. I'm going to do a lot of drawings with the book signings and everything, so it'll be really exciting. And until then, I want to thank you again, and I'm going to shaka out and say thank you, mahalo, and a hui ho until we meet again.